Welcome. My name's Arna, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use MailChimp together with the Active Club Manager. There are two methods available to you. Method one is that you transfer the email data to MailChimp, to a MailChimp list. Now, Active Club will not track this email data, so it will not transfer into Manager. Second method is where you use compose and send with MailChimp, and then you will receive the full email event tracking in Manager. So let's use method one first. So here we have a list of, a small list of 4 people. And let's go to send custom email using MailChimp. So I'm going to log into MailChimp. And here we have the MailChimp dashboard. I'm going to go to lists. And I have 2 lists. I created one here, this video demo list that we're going to be using today. So let's move these 4 email addresses and their names up to MailChimp. So I'm going to say, again, send custom email, upload to email application. It's already selected MailChimp. I'll select the list that I want to use, and then hit OK. So now those emails are being transferred to MailChimp. Let's open up this list here. Still empty. I'm going to refresh. And there we have. These are the 4. So that part's done. Now I'm going to go to the campaigns. And we'll pick this draft that I've already created. And I'm going to go replicate that draft. And we're going to use that as our email. Now I'm going to send it to the video demo list. Hit next. Fill in more information. This has already been filled in. Go next. So here is my email that we've previously designed. Got a couple of buttons, a picture. Here's the bottom of the email. So let's send it. Go next. And then I'm going to push the send button down here in the right-hand corner. We're prepared for launch. Let's hit send. And it is sending. So it now sent to the video demo list those 4 email addresses, which I am one. Let's go to my email. Watch that come in. There it is. So there's the email. Open it. Put the pictures. There's the email as you saw it in MailChimp. I also have this little section here at the bottom, which I'm going to show you how you can get rid of in our second method. Okay. Back to Active Club. I'm going to go back to our campaigns. And I'm going to pick same draft. And I'm going to do the replicate one more time. But this time, what we're trying to do is send it out using Compose and Send, where we're going to receive the full event tracking in ActiveFlow. So in this case, I only want to send a sample of the email, and I'm going to show you later why. So I'm only going to pick this list here, which has just got one subscriber, which is me. And I'm going to push next. And next again. This is all the same as it was before. Now this time I'd like to add the name of the person at the top of the email. So I'm going to take this text object and I'm going to copy it here into the email body. And I'm going to say, dear, and I'm going to put one of our database variable fields into the email. Our documentation shows all sorts of these variables that you can use from the customer records and other records like transaction. I'm going to set the font size to be, say, 18 point, change it to 20 point. And we're going to make it black. So it's going to make it bold. So there we have our email with this keyword at the beginning. Now I'm going to push next. Well, let's save it. And then next. And then we're going to send it. Remember, this time we're just sending it to one person. Okay, so the email is sent. I'm going to go back to my campaigns here. Pick the completed. So this first one here is the one we just sent to one individual. If I go now to look at that, to look at my other email account. Here it is. And you can see that it has that keyword in it. It also has this stuff at the bottom. So now go back to our MailChimp. I'm going to open up this email that I sent. And I'm going to click on HTML source. On that. And I'm going to click on the source. Hit Control A to select it all. Control C for copy to copy it. I'm going to go up here to my email, to the list of customers that I want to email to, and I'm going to go Action, Send Custom Email, Compose and Send. And we shall eliminate the BCC. I don't need 2 copies of the email. And we'll say this is a sample of a MailChimp template sent using Compose and Sent. So paste in our email in here. Now remember that little piece at the bottom we wanted to get rid of? This is this table here. I'm just going to delete this section right there. You can actually say it's called canned spam bar. Get rid of that. This is now our email that we're sending, just like it looks like in MailChimp. And we're going to send it. Now let's open up our email tracking window. So Compose and Send is sending this now. Let's refresh. Still nothing showing up. One more time. There we go. There's two of them delivered. There's all of them delivered. I get a couple of extra emails because I'm the sender of the emails. I get these notifications that they were sent. Now let's go to my email. And we should see this email show up here. Sometimes they end up in Flutter. And sure enough. Sorry about the clock. But let me move that to my inbox. There's the email. Open it up. And you can see I have the same email as before, but with the Dear Gail. And we have the button. I'm going to request the demo. Going to the bottom here, and you'll see also that that MailChimp at the banner at the bottom is gone. If I go back to Active Club, and I now do a refresh, I can see that Arne opened up that email, and he clicked on a link in the email. If I go up to my customer list, I'm going to do a search on the emails sent out today. So that went out to these 4 individuals. Now change the view to email history. There you can see Gail Bloom, the emails were delivered, the tracking, and the open clicks. So that's emailing with a Compose and Send template, but using with a MailChimp template and using Compose and Send to send it so that you get your full email tracking. Sorry about the clocks. Now, how do you set this up? In Manager, in the Merchant table, there is a section here for the email marketing, on the email marketing tab, and here is where you put your MailChimp API key into Active Club. Show where that is. I'm going to click on the Merchant over here on the left, open it up, and here you see is your MailChimp key, what they call the API key. You'll find that in the MailChimp manual. If you need any help getting this set up, give support a jingle or email us, and we will help you find that. So that's all there is to it. Simple. Thank you for coming. Until next time, see you.